Hello everyone, good afternoon ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the magnificent BMW Showcase of China, Macao International Auto Expo 2013. And I'm Toyi Au, your MC of today. Hello， 親愛嘅咁多位來賓，大家好，歡迎大家嚟臨到中國澳門國際汽車博覽會寶馬車展嘅現場啊！我係你哋嘅司儀阿 K 何基佑啊。BMW and Mini have always been the brightest stars of the Auto Expo over the past years, and this year BMW and Mini are happy to have a bigger stand to display a broader range of products in front of you. And among 25 cars in display, you will find the essence of the sheer driving pleasure and the latest trends of automobile engineering, and the door leading us to a cleaner and more efficient, brighter future. 嗱，今年咧 BMW 同埋 Mini 咧就會向大家展出喺你面前嘅25部嘅車啦，咁每一架都係象徵住咧 BMW 同埋 Mini 對於駕駛嘅一種樂趣同埋設計理念㗎。咁而我哋都要展示出咧喺汽車咧最新嘅科技潮流啦，同埋帶領我哋進入一個更環保、更先進嘅未來嘅。And today we're happy to have a kick-off ceremony of the 3 latest models of BMW。所以我哋今日咧都好開心啦，可以同大家展示3款咧係最新嘅車系㗎。Now before the